Okay, y'all, so today I'm getting my brows micro shaded. I had my brows microbladed many years ago, but because I have oily skin, it did not last, and I didn't bother getting the retouch because it was just a waste. But luckily, when I got them done at the time, it was free. So as you can see, my eyebrows are very sparse, and I'm looking forward to getting my brows micro shaded because that seems to be the better way for my skin type. And I'll give y'all more details when I come back. But I'm kind of nervous, a little bit nervous, because again, I had my brows microbladed years ago and for those individuals who had microblading, y'all know how that little bit of pain feels. So I am looking forward to my brows being transformed, and especially because I get tired of filling them in and them looking so they're not symmetrical or anything like that. So let's get to it. So I'm at my appointment to get my brows micro shaded. I found this person online. It's interesting, you know how when you type in Google anything, like, so I was looking at micro shading in my Google, and a few things popped up on my Instagram, left it, and then the next day my feed was just full of micro shading places that I could go to. So I found this person on Instagram, and the interesting thing is she has thousands of followers with great feedback, great reviews, and she is doing it for free for her website. So that part I'm excited about, because initially when I got my brows microbladed, I got them done for free back in the day, because the person who did them, she was a certified person to train individuals in microblading. So and I believe this is the same form, but who knows. So it is for free. And once I am done, I will show you guys, try to get some of the process via TikTok so y'all can see, and we'll go from there. Have a good one. Stay tuned. This is where I am before. We're almost done. Can't wait to tell you guys how this process was. I have brows. I have brows. This is exciting for me. Hey guys, this is it. This is my micro shading. And at the end of it, she put some lashes on me so she can do a video. But that is it. That's it. After a few days, I have to put ointment on. But I felt very little pain, but you could tell when the numbing wore off. But I am pleased with the results. And yes, this is going to save me so much time in doing my makeup. I am so happy. I could cry, literally. But like I said, I got it done for free because it was a part of her class. So she was certifying other individuals, and she was teaching her class, and that's how it ended up being free for me. And I just had to pay her a tip, and that was it. Let me know how you guys like them. I love them.